12 Proven Ways to Make Money Online in 2025. Welcome, everyone. Today, I'm going to walk you through 12 powerful ways you can start making money online in 2025. Whether you're a beginner or someone looking to scale your income, these methods require little to no investment and have the potential to generate thousands of dollars per month. Let's dive right in. 1. Earn from fastcash.gg. Did you know you can get paid for simple online activities like watching YouTube, browsing Google, or completing microtasks? Fastcash.gg has already paid out over $3.7 million to users, and the best part, it offers instant withdrawals. This is an easy way to earn passive income in your free time. 2. AI thumbnail creation for YouTube. YouTube creators need eye-catching thumbnails, and you can provide them using Pixels AI. This tool allows you to generate stunning thumbnails automatically. Then, sell these designs on Fiverr. Some freelancers are already making over $500,000 doing this. Why not you? 3. Sell ChatGPT prompts. AI is growing fast, and businesses need custom prompts to get better results from ChatGPT. Using Chib Prompt Generator, you can create and sell unique AI prompts on PromptBase. This is a high-demand, low-effort digital product with excellent earning potential. 4. Start a faceless YouTube channel. YouTube automation is a game-changer. You can run a YouTube channel without showing your face. By leveraging AI-generated scripts and voiceovers, you can create engaging videos and monetize through YouTube ads. I'll even share a free blueprint to help you get started. 5. AI-generated memes for Instagram. Want to go viral? MEMcam allows you to create engaging memes using AI. Grow an Instagram page by consistently posting these memes, then sell the page for profit on platforms like Socialtradia. This is an excellent long-term digital asset strategy. 6. Viral quote pages for social media. Inspirational quotes attract massive engagement on Instagram and Pinterest. Use AI to extract powerful quotes from books, design them in Canva, and post them. Once your page grows, you can sell it or use it for affiliate marketing. 7. Affiliate blogging with AI. Blogging is still a goldmine. Use SEO writing AI to generate high-ranking blog posts, then monetize with affiliate links from platforms like TEU.com. You can also publish these posts on Medium, adding embedded affiliate links for passive commissions. 8. AI-generated YouTube Shorts. Short-form content is booming. Use StoryShort AI to create viral YouTube Shorts. Find trending video ideas using ChatGPT, automate content creation, and earn money from YouTube's ad revenue. 9. Sell digital products on a Gumroad alternative. A new marketplace is helping digital entrepreneurs sell products like templates, ebooks, and courses. Sellers are making six figures daily. It's an exciting opportunity to create passive income streams with minimal work. 10. Earn with AI tool reviews. Tech enthusiasts can monetize their passion by reviewing AI tools on YouTube. Platforms like Future Tools and Futurepedia list thousands of AI tools. By joining their affiliate programs, you can earn up to 40% recurring commissions. 11. Sell AI-generated apps. No coding skills? No problem. AI has made it easier than ever to develop and launch mobile apps. Use AI-powered app builders to create a product, then generate passive income through app sales and ads. 12. New opportunity. Bsky platform. B-Sky is an emerging platform offering fresh opportunities for digital entrepreneurs. While details are still unfolding, early adopters can get a head start in this space and make serious money. Final thoughts: AI and automation are revolutionizing online income. Many of these methods require minimal effort and can be started for free. If you're serious about making money online,